I achieve this gorgeous look. I'm gonna advise you for watch till the very end, because sis, you don't want to miss out on none of this. I'm gonna teach you how you can achieve this look. It is very easy. Back to my channel. It's your girl Yanesha Shantell. Not want to miss out on any content. When I tell you, believe me, you don't want to miss out on the content, because I'm gonna show you how you can achieve flawless looks, whether it be makeup or hair. And I will be dropping tips and tricks, honey, that they do not tell you about. Okay, so I'm gonna put y'all on. Just keep on watching and see how I achieve this look, darling. Alright, so for this tutorial, these are the things you will need. You will need a scissors, got to be, and a wig cap. Now this is an old wig cap. I'll show you what it looks like in a package right here, and also your blow dryer. The first thing you want to do is make sure your hair is slicked back, and I'm just going in with my Gorilla Snot glue. Then I will go in with my blow dryer. And then the next thing you want to do is get your wig cap and put it on your head all the way so it covers your ears. Now I normally go in with a lighter, something natural, so that way I can apply my powder to blend it in. But today I only have this one. The ones I ordered did not come in time, and I wanted to do this video so bad because today's my birthday. If you guys didn't know, by the time I post this video it would have already been past, but still go ahead and comment down below and wish your girl happy birthday, honey. I'm just going in with my got to be, and I'm spraying my hairline, only because we are about to cut this part off and you guys will see. I'm gonna just go ahead and spray it. And this is really easy to achieve, guys. Like, I'm gonna put y'all on game because sis, it really expensive for go hairdresser, and I start learning for the ear off of YouTube. So watch my video all the way to the end, because this is how I watch videos to learn how to do hair. Now, I'm not a professional, we all established that. So now I'm just going in with my blow dryer and I'm just drying what I just did. I am going to apply my got to be one more time because I do want it to stick and not lift. Okay, stick and not lift. Okay, stick and not lift. Okay. So me, I go in one more time again, and this is just the front coming in. I'm not do the side them yet. So this is just the front we are doing right now. Now that is dry. If you can see, it looks somewhat like this. It should look like ashy. Should have like an ashy look. And you want to make sure you are doing your hairline. am going in with my comb because, as I said, I have a problem with my ear section. I'm have to use one comb or something for hold it down, because if I not do that, it's going to show me up. And 9 times out of 10, it's going to show me up today. I just feel like it's going to show me up. Hopefully it don't, but I just feel like it's going to do that. May I go in again at the corners, because as me telling this, and I'm sorry for looking over there, because over here some mirror there. I have to put it at a height where I know so I can see. I'd rather look over here than look down, so don't judge me. As me said, I go in again with the corners, because every time when me start cut the stocking cap, it starts to look like, well, not look, but it starts to lift, and I do not want that, not on camera. But if it happens, it happens. I'm not stressing it. Alright, some of the things I don't know for now. So it should look something like this. It look ashy, I'm gonna look crazy, but it's okay. We're gonna turn into a body over here. Okay? We're gonna turn into a whole body. So first, I do like to cut from the center right here. I'm not having no contacts, I can't see. If you don't know, I already blind, I wear glasses, I wear contacts. I'm not having none of that, I'm not having none of that. You would have to drop out by now. So I don't have no contacts in, I have no glasses, so I can't see. And the mirror is kind of a distance. So the cut them might be jagged, but it's okay. And then I'm gonna leave my ears for last, because as I told you guys, I always have problems with my ear parts. So I can't see this in. I wonder if I can see it in there. Cut good? Comment down below, let me know if it cut good, because I can't see. I mean, of course I go see when I start edit the video, but for now I can't see a thing. So I just a cut. No comment down below. So I am here videoing, and whole and behold, it never a video. So as me telling us, I go do one next video when my wig cap them come, because my order some, and then me will do over about the ears part, because it the top video I may never know. Apparently when my phone gets overheated, it stopped by itself. Some weird stuff going on, and I'm just appalled right now, because then me stop the whole video and I'm like, okay, looking through it, and it never recorded. So that's that. I am sorry, I apologize, because me day here I telling us say the ears part for me never work, and look at that. Look at that. So me did stop completely what me I do. And I might hear a little noise, but I'm sorry for that. So I'm gonna just go ahead and dry right here. This is how it looks, guys. I'm telling you, this is so freaking easy. Like, it is so easy to achieve a natural look, and we all want to look good when we put on a wig. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it on my what is it called again, wig cap. So I'm just gonna brush it on my wig cap. Do want this to look more realistic, so not only am I going to use my bare mineral, I'm going to also apply this Maybelline Fit Me, and if you watch my 2 videos, I'll leave them at the end of this video so you can click and watch. So I'm just gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation just to get a more realistic look. And I'm just gonna use my beauty sponge, beauty blender, however you want to say it. But I am liking the look of this right now. I am loving it, actually. Just going over with my Got To Be. I am loving it right now. And then the key is just to press it in. I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer again because I do want my cap to lay flat. So I'm just gonna go in with my blow dryer real quick. Look at this. So since the purpose of this video is just the ball cap method, I'm just gonna go off camera and put my wig on, and I'm gonna show you guys how I went ahead and achieved this look.